Welcome to the 5paisa MCP AI Setup Guide for Mac. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the complete process of setting up the Model Context Protocol, which integrates your 5paisa account with Claude Desktop, enabling powerful AI-enhanced interactions. This guide is ideal for beginners and will cover each step in simple, clear language. So let's get started. Step 1. Installing Python. The first thing we'll do is set up Python, a popular programming language used in the MCP system. To install Python, visit python.org. On the home page, download the latest version. For this guide, choose Python 3.13.4 for Mac OS. Open the downloaded file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once installation is complete, let's verify it. Open your terminal by pressing Command plus space, typing terminal and hitting enter. Now type the following command. If you see a version number, Python has been successfully installed. Step 2. Installing Node.js. Next, we'll install Node.js, which allows us to run backend JavaScript code. To install Node.js, go to nodejs.org. Download the Mac OS installer from the home page. Open the file and follow the installation prompts. The default settings are fine. After installation, verify Node.js. Open terminal again and type node-version. If a version number appears, Node.js is correctly installed on your system. Step 3. Downloading the MCP project code. Now that Python and Node.js are ready, let's download the MCP project files. Steps. Go to the GitHub repository link provided to you. Click the green code button and select Download Zip. Once downloaded, extract the zip file and open the unzipped folder. This folder contains all the files we'll use to run and configure MCP. Step 4. Running the setup script. Inside the extracted folder, locate the setup script named setupshell.sh. To run this script, open terminal. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the files. Now run the setup script by entering. If you face permission issues, first make the file executable by running. This script will automatically install all required dependencies. Step 5. Updating your 5paisa credentials. We now need to securely connect your MCP system to your 5paisa account. Steps. Open the folder named 5paisa MCP main, then open the file name creds.json using TextEdit or any basic text editor. In this file, you will be entering your 5paisa API keys, client code, login PIN, and your TOTP secret. To find your API keys, log into Extreme API dashboard. After logging in, click on Generate Key to create your API key. Once the key is generated, click Refresh Token to retrieve your complete API credentials. Now, about TOTP. If you already have TOTP enabled on your 5paisa account, you'll need to disable it first and then reactivate it. This will allow you to access the TOTP secret key, which will be around 24 characters long. This is required for integration. Once you have the TOTP secret and your login PIN, paste them into the creds.json file. Make sure everything is inside quotes and formatted correctly. Then save and close the file. Step 6. Installing Claude Desktop. Now let's install Claude Desktop, which is the AI interface we'll connect MCP to. Steps. Visit claude.ai/download. Download the Mac OS version executable file. Double-click it to open Claude Desktop. Step 7. Configuring Claude Desktop. Now we'll configure Claude Desktop to connect it with your MCP integration. Steps. Open Claude Desktop. Then click on the menu icon located at the top left corner. From the menu, select Files and then click on Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to the Developer Options section and click on Edit Config to open the configuration file. Replace the contents with this. Now we need to replace Insert Path to Dist by following these steps. Go back to your 5paisa MCP main folder, open the dist subfolder. Right-click the file named index.js. Click Get Info. Copy the full file path from the Where section. Example path might look like this. Paste this path in place of Insert Path to Dist. Your updated configuration should look like this. Save the file and close it. Step 8. Restarting Claude Desktop. To apply the changes, completely exit Claude Desktop. Tip: before restarting Claude Desktop, make sure it has fully closed and no background processes are running. Here's how you can check. Press Command plus space and search for Activity Monitor. In Activity Monitor, search for any process named Claude Desktop. If you find it still running, select it and click Force Quit to close it completely. Now restart Claude Desktop. Claude will now automatically detect and connect to your 5paisa MCP integration. Setup complete. You have now completed the full setup for 5paisa MCP AI on your Mac machine. Your Claude Desktop is now ready to interact with your 5paisa account using secure, intelligent protocols. From here, you can issue commands, receive updates, and automate tasks in a conversational way. If you're still stuck with the setup, don't worry. Help is just a step away. You can connect with our customer support team for direct assistance, or simply drop your query in the Trade Better community, where fellow users and experts can guide you through. We are here to make sure your journey with 5paisa MCP is smooth and successful.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.